Now let's consider some things that might prevent this from working as expected. One thing that might prevent our HSRP configuration from working as expected and our priority is decremented as a result is that maybe the interface that we're tracking IP routing on that interface currently. In our example, maybe that interface is not currently enabled for a routing protocol. And we know that we're decremented with a show command. We could do a show standby for HSRP. And we see that, wow, I've got a lower than expected priority value. What might be going on here? Well, maybe that interface is not, maybe it's not enabled for routing. We can see which interfaces are enabled for routing with the show IP protocols command. Let's go out to a live interface and take a look at this. Let's say that on router R1, things are not working as expected, and we're curious. Is the interface that we're tracking Fast Ethernet 0/1 right now, is it enabled for a routing protocol? Let's do a show IP protocols command. And here we see that we're routing for all networks. I've got 0.0.0.0, 255.255.255.255. So yes, all interfaces in this case are participating. Okay, great. That's how we would check it. If we found out that, nope, this interface is not routing for IP, the way we would fix that, we would go back and we would go into router configuration mode and say network, and we would give the network address that encompassed the IP address of that interface. Or we could go into the interface itself and say that for maybe OSPF, we wanted to participate in a specific OSPF process as a member of a specific area. Something else that might happen is the line protocol. The interface itself is down. Maybe something is not plugged in. That could cause a layer 1 issue. Maybe we're administratively down. How do we determine if the interface itself is just down? And that would certainly decrement our priority that we would see in the output of the show standby command. Well, we could do a show IP interface brief, and it would tell us if we're up means we're up at layer 1 and we're up at layer 2. If we saw that, no, we're administratively down, or if we're just down for some unknown reason, at least that's going to allow us to focus our troubleshooting efforts on the layer 1 and layer 2 troubleshooting.